Number 3 is given a pair of points x1, y1 is minus 11 minus 8 and x2, y2 is 1 minus 13. Find the distance between them and find the midpoint. Find the distance. We're going to use the distance formula. D equals square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. That is square root of 1 minus 11 squared plus minus 13 minus 8 squared. That is 1 minus 11 is 12, that is 12 squared, minus 13 minus 8 is minus 5 squared, and that is 12 squared is 144, and minus 5 squared is 25. 144 plus 25 is 169. Square root of 169 is 13. Okay, and the midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So it is minus 11 plus 1 over 2 and minus 8 minus 13 over 2. That is minus 10 over 2 and minus 21 over 2, which is equal to minus 5 and minus 10.5. Number 4 is given a pair of points x1, y1 is minus a minus b, x2, y2 is a and b. Find the distance. We're going to use the distance formula. Distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, which is a minus a squared plus b minus b squared, which is a minus a is 2a squared plus b minus b is 2b squared. 2a squared is 4a squared, 2b squared is 4b squared. The 4 can be factored out. Square root of 4 is 2, so that is 2. Then it is square root of a squared plus b squared. So the solution is 2 square root of a squared plus b squared. And the midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2, which is minus a plus a over 2 minus b plus a over 2, which is 0 over 2, 0 over 2, which is 0, 0. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.